Welcome back to Love What You Eat. On today's episode, I will show you how to make an Italian sweet pie crust. Using the well method. 2.5 cups of flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of unsalted butter room temperature, and 2 eggs room temperature.
So very simple technique. You just beat the eggs and sugar together.
Then you add your room temperature butter. You work it a little bit with the fork. And then obviously the best tools that God created, your hands.
And then you'll lightly start to bring in some of the flour to incorporate.
That's right.
And then once it's not as runny, you start to work it with your hands.
That's right.
Yeah.
You got it, Nancy. Okay, at this point, and there we go. Oops, that always happens. I can't tell you how many times that happens to me.
Joke's on you.
Yeah.
Or the flour's on you.
Yeah, the flour and the joke both.
Use the bench scraper. You're great with your hands.
Old habits die hard.
Yeah. Looks like it's good. I don't think you need any more flour. There you go. So you can keep this in saran wrap and you can keep it in the freezer for any time that you want to bake any type of pies or stuff.
Yes, definitely. Maybe for up to a month. I wouldn't put more up to a month. And once you have your dough ready, I mean, you could put whatever filling you would like in it.
And this is something that doesn't have to chill prior to rolling. We can make this dough and straight away roll it out and fill it up in your tin.
That's right. So I rolled out my dough, and I always measure with my baking tin. I'll put it over to make sure that I rolled it out wide enough, or I still have to roll out a little bit more. I think we're almost good to go with this one. There we go. Roll the dough over my rolling pin. That'll be easier to put in the baking dish. Then we'll gently press it down to fit. If it breaks, it doesn't matter. You can always patch it up. And this is how we make an Italian sweet pie crust.